Yo guys, welcome back with me, Kenwilboy FX. In this video, I'm going to show you proof, a real 100% proof that we have turned $100 into $100,000. Actually, it's not really $100,000, but we're getting there. $100 into $52,000. Real proof, and maybe some people said, oh, this is fake, this is unauthentic, maybe. And a lot of people like claiming that they're good traders, but they have no trade history. They have no portfolio. We walk the talk. We do what we talk. And here is the real result. Here, take a look. As you can see, this account, this is one of our account. I trade with this account together with my team. Look at this. Total profit, 54,700. Look at the total balance on the top left here, 54,800. There's a difference of $100, means our capital, initial capital is $100, and we have turned it into $54,000. Wow, amazing. In less than a year. This one is the period trade history for 365 days, but it's actually less than half a year, this account. We are not turning this account overnight. Turning $100 into $54,000 overnight is bullshit, and nobody can do that. We have turned this account in less than 6 months. We do have some losses. See, the red one, it's not all greens. Impossible. Bullshit. If somebody is showing you trade history where everything is green or blue, everything is profit, no. There is some losses, but our goal is losses in trading. Nobody can ever trade without any losses. But what we can do is manage our risk, manage our losses, so our losses is less than our profit. In other words, we profit more than we lose money. Just like business, sometimes we have profit, we have revenue, and we also have like costs. Our losses in trading is the cost in business. Trading is like a business. It's roughly the same because it's buying and selling. All right, here's the proof, the trade history. In last 30 days, we have profited 19,000 US dollars. Not bad. I know what you're asking. So in order to get portfolio like this, which strategy do you use or how do you do it? I'm gonna explain it in this video. So watch this video carefully and don't skip any part of this video. First, for the strategy, what did I use? I use this. We need to first switch to another app called TradingView. TradingView is an app for technical analysis. We could not open a trade here, but we can analyze the market using this app. This app is built for analyzing the market, not for execution, while the other app is for execution, this one, just like MetaTrader. But in order to analyze, I use TradingView with our own custom indicator developed by me and team called Kenwilboy Alert Ribbon and Kenwilboy Alert Signal. Let's see on the top left. How to use this? It's fairly easy. When the ribbon turns green and there's buy signals, means you may enter a buy position because the market's most probably gonna go up. And when the ribbon turns red and there's sell signals, you may open a sell position because the market most probably gonna go down. There is no such as 100% sure that we can predict where the market is going to be, up or down. Nobody can ever predict with 100% accuracy. We're not God, we're just a humble human being. So what did I do to counter that? To minimize the risk, because sometimes wrong analysis do happens. So in order to compensate that, I use a technique called layering. This technique is for opening a position. The way we use it is, for example, I give example, we open a buy position. Suddenly the market, instead of going up where we want, the market goes down. With this layering technique, we are sure that the market's gonna go back up. We can open another position, double the size of the previous position. And what happens if the markets continue going down? If we predict that the market, oh, this is the bottom position, the market's gonna go up, when we believe that, or we sure that the market's gonna go up, we could open another position twice the previous position. So what's the purpose of this layering technique? The purpose of this technique is to compensate for the losses of the previous open position. This technique will increase your win rate, trading win rate. So in a setup, most people are gonna have like maybe 60 or 50% accuracy, 50% win rate in a setup. So let's see, for example, in 100 setup or 10 setup, most people are gonna have 5 losing trades and 5 winning trades. With these techniques, you can increase your win rate. So it reaches more than 90% win rate, almost 100%. How? Let me show you this example. This one is a sell position. These techniques gonna compensate like this. Take a look at this. We open a 1, 2, 3, 4 position. During the last position, this one sell position, first sell position, then second sell position, then third, and the market still goes up. Suddenly in the last position, we open another sell position, with bigger lots, twice the amount of the previous position. Suddenly the market goes down a little bit. Because we use the layering technique, all of the losses in the previous position is covered by the profit from the last position. Just need a tiny little bit of market movement and all of the losses gonna be covered. Why? Because the lot size is getting bigger, the position is getting bigger. Like this, for example, there's 4 positions. The previous 3 positions, the lot size are small. So if the lot size is small, the losses are also smaller than the profit gain from the last position because the lot size is a lot bigger. Take a look at this. Yeah, if you don't understand, just repeat this part, just replay it until you understand. See, this is the beauty of layering technique. It can increase your win rate to more than 90%. Yeah, it's crazy, I know. But there's a but. This layering technique, people might call it martingale, people might call it very risky. Yes, I know, this strategy or this technique is very, very risky, high risk. So how do we minimize the risk? There's 2 ways you can minimize the risk of using this technique. First, you need to maintain your money management. You need to manage your money. How do we do it? We maintain our money management by limiting our position size. Don't ever open a position that is too big. So, like, how big should our position be? My recommendation is every $100 in your trading account, you open a position 0.01. If you want to open 0.02, so you need to have $200 in your trading account, and so on, multiply. If you want to open 0.1, so how much should you have in your trading account? So you should have 1,000 because 100 times 10 is 1,000. Yeah, and so on. Especially if you use the layering technique I mentioned previously, you need to start small. Because why? When you experience losses, you increase your lot size, right? In no time, your lot sizing is going to be very, very big. Why? Because you multiply by 2, 2 again, 2 again, 2 again. It's exponential. Like the curve, boom, it will go like very, very big. And you will have you will trade with full margin in no time. That's why you need to start very, very small. That's called money management. And the second one, you need to use stop losses. Stop losses, I don't need to explain why. It prevents your account from being blown away or hit the margin call. That's it for today. If you want to learn more about Forex trading or gold trading or trading in general, we have one of the best solution for you beginners. It's called Kenwilboy FX, link down below. Not only education, you can also get signals from our professional analysts, very accurate, 90% plus accuracy, and you can also get indicators, our custom indicators, and free updates lifetime. Also, you can get discount on trading fee on several regulated brokers. At last, you get one of the best trading community with the most active members, one of the largest group maybe in Asia. So what you waiting? Link down below. Right now the price is only $4. There is a promo only for $4 the price, and it's for a lifetime membership. So it's not like you pay each month $4. No, $4 for your entire life. If there is no promo, our regular price is 100 US dollar, but right now it's only $4. So get it before the promo ends. Link down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and peace out.